Bohemian Artist here in the costume studio. And there's been a change to the costume giveaway that we're doing here at the Bohemian Artist channel. And if you, the first video that we posted about it, I'm gonna have to put it on, make it private. I don't want to have the wrong information out there. But if you watched that first video and if you subscribed to the channel already, then you are in the contest. We are giving away a Planet of the Apes mask. Not this one. We are giving away a finished mask that looks like this, and it will have just a beautiful head of hair, an awesome beard, hand painted, hand sculpted. And to enter the giveaway, all you need to do is hit the subscribe button, and when the channel reaches 500 subscribers, this mask is going to get shipped out to one of you. But not just this mask. We're also giving away one of these. A complete set of 3D printed, hand-painted Mandalorian armor. And that's going to be sent out when the Bohemian Artist channel hits 1,000 subscriptions. So hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.